Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yount, the owner of Elegant Living, and this is
Lexi.
We're back. Hello, everyone. Come on in here and tell us where you're coming from and tell us where, just tell us good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah.
We live in the Midwest. We don't live in San Francisco, but
No.
I don't know what movie that's off of, but that's a good movie. I can't remember what it was.
What is that movie?
What is Good Morning San Francisco? If you guys know, please tell us, because I don't know where I came up with that. I have no idea.
She's just pulling it out of whatever.
I could have sworn it's from a movie. So if you know, please let me know.
Okay.
I would like to know.
I'm going to see if I can see you guys on live, because sometimes we can't see your guys' comments, and we really want to do that. Oh, it's telling me.
While she's waiting, if you guys have noticed, my hair is straight today. Usually it's curly. But I have a few gray hairs because I started painting Matthew's ceiling with him. So now my hair has white paint.
I got to admit, she came downstairs and she's like, okay, Mom, what do you think? I said, I think you have some gray hair. She goes, Mom, I've been painting. I'm like, oh, that's right.
I do have gray hair.
That's right. That's completely correct.
Yes.
Oh, I can see. Okay, good deal. I can see it.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, today is the day that everybody has been waiting for. Yay! We are going to reveal what's in the Spring Decor Box.
Yes.
So, let us know, what is your favorite thing in the box as we go through it. I know some of you guys have already received your box if you're in the subscription. If you're not, I don't know what you're waiting for. You need to go get it.
Yes, because your early bird bonus expires tonight.
At midnight.
Yes, tonight is the last night you can get it. So if you are a past subscriber, you did get this bonus because we want to thank you and celebrate you. But if you are going to be a new subscriber, you have to get in before tonight to get your early bird bonus. So I'm going to show you what that is real quick because we went over it yesterday.
Okay.
But I'm going to show it one more time.
Okay. I think somebody's trying to call me. Sorry, guys. Somebody's trying to call me.
One more time. You got these adorable little daisy cutouts here. Look at these. If you guys didn't see my video where I was like, you guys should go watch it. I think these are absolutely adorable. I love them. I think they scream spring. They are fresh. They are fun. They're going to go perfect with this box.
And what I love about them is they're different heights.
Yeah.
And we talked about that in our workshop this last, couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
We talked about different heights when you're talking about trays, or you're talking about on your mantle, or even bookcases. No matter where you're decorating, guys, you want different levels, okay? You don't want everything at the same height like this, okay?
For sure.
And you want to group things in threes. So I absolutely love that, because that is so easy and so cute.
And it goes with this.
And it goes with this.
So these are your early bird bonuses. That is our wooden sign here. It says, you make me happy, because who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to be happy and springy and just fresh for all the new seasons? Yes. They match. They all go together.
So cute.
How cute is that?
So cute.
Adorable.
Okay.
I love it.
Okay, I love it. So this is part of the box, but this is part of your bonus. So the bonus means that you get this in your box if you purchase before midnight tonight, okay?
Yes, so don't miss out. You don't want to miss these. They're adorable.
Go get your box. Okay. So those are the things that are in there. That's 3 things in there. So let's keep going. We've got lots of goodies. Hello, Tracy. Good morning, Pat. Good morning, everyone. We see some of you guys hopping on here. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yes. Okay. So I love this box, and you guys have heard me say it all week long. I love it because I think it's just neutrals. It's fresh. It's fun. It is springy. It's what I think of when I think of like the new fresh start of the seasons. So one of the things that we put in the box are these adorable, that was backwards, these adorable little house cutouts. Look how cute these are.
Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute.
Look at these. So they are wooden signs here. This one is a little home with a white roof. I about said ceiling. White roof. And then this one is our neutral browns. How pretty is that?
I love them. And I love them
it.
together. Look at this.
Yes.
Once again, it's the layering effect, and it gives the illusion that they're different heights and different things like that. So cute. Adorable. So on different trays, these are so cute. So see how this is a building block of all the cute things that we put on it? Look how adorable these are. I just think they're so cute, guys.
Okay, Tracy said, good morning, San Francisco, was something Becky said a lot on Full House. That is definitely where I got it. I knew it was somewhere like that. I used to love that TV show.
Yes.
Goodness, words are hard today.
Yeah.
Anyway, look how cute these are.
Good job, Tracy.
Good job, Tracy. I'm glad you got that for me.
Okay, we're going to show them one of my favorite things, as always. These are my favorites.
Yes.
I'm going to show you. We put these beautiful little ferns in there. Are these not
That's
adorable?
gorgeous.
These are so cute. One has it's a little different texture, and I love that. I love this little bowl and down here with
moss roots.
Yes, it has the little roots on it and the little moss ball. So cute. Okay, so we talked
Adorable.
about different types of greenery, and those are so important for your layering effect. Because look at this.
Makes it feel alive.
Makes it feel alive, like I'm in a jungle. And who doesn't want that?
Yes, and you could use these up until fall.
Yeah,
they
for
are
sure.
gorgeous.
You can use these all summer long.
Yes.
So you can put these in different heights like this. That was my thought with it. You can put them on a tiered tray, which we're going to be showing you all these different things, how to do them. So look, guys, these are so cute.
Yes.
So both of these are in your decor box.
Yes.
Your spring decor box. So cute.
Love the front. I loved them. Okay, one of these things that I'm going to be ready to show you in just a second is so cute. I've never seen these before. I'm just going to show you. These little carrots here are the sweetest things ever. There's 3 of them here. You can set them around your trays, and they have polka dots. They are adorable. I am a fan of some polka dots.
Yes, and see, there's
love
3 of them. I'm just going to keep reminding you guys there's 3 of them.
Yes.
So when you're putting them on a tiered tray or even a regular flat tray or even somewhere, because you can actually put these anywhere in your house. They're all wooden. They're wooden.
Yes, they are wooden.
So they look adorable with all the wooden pieces that we put with it. See, look how cute that is.
I love
And then
these.
put a little bit of greenery with it.
Look how bright and fun that is already.
Is that not, that screams spring.
Yes.
Spring.
We want to know if you're just joining us. Hello.
Hello,
And we
Debbie.
want you guys to tell us what your favorite thing inside the spring box is. Everybody knows what it is now. So even our past subscribers, you guys can tell what your favorite part of the box was.
Yes, everybody knows
I
now.
love these. Oh, that fern pulled my hair a little bit.
Oh, sorry. Sorry,
okay.
Lexi. Lexi's
That's
going
okay.
with styling with the
I have the straight hair
look today. I really like it.
Thank you. I have some paint in it. You guys can kind of see it here. It's
It's
fine.
not gray.
Yes.
I got that. That's me. She'll say, "Mom, you got gray in your hair." I'm like, "Oh, it's there. Some light too. I don't know."
It's fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning,
I'm gonna-
everyone. I'm loving this box. This box is so cute. The carrots. Yes, Pat.
Yes,
the carrots are so adorable.
Here, I'm gonna have you hold
I
these.
love a polka dot anything, even clothing. So
Yes. So I want to show you guys these eggs. You got a set of 6. You got 6 of these eggs
look
that
at
you can
them.
have.
Look how real they look.
They do look real.
And I love the little feathers on them. Oh,
Adorable.
adorable. And then they have the little baby robin egg blue, which
Yes.
who doesn't love that? But what I love about these is they look like the real elements.
They do. They look like if you went out in spring and you were going on a walk, you could see all of these things, which is adorable. I love it.
If you guys got some of those, the nests, remember the little nests?
Yes, we had a egg nest in our boutique. I think a few of you got them. These would be so cute.
These would be adorable out on a front porch, even in a little nest. Oh, so cute. In a wreath on your front door, Adorable.
And
So-
they have these convenient little hooks in case you wanted to put them on a garland or something like that.
Yeah, it would be so cute on a garland over your door. Your front door. Gorgeous. That'd be cute. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, and I want to say that these are really good too if you do put them outside, because if you're like us, the wind blows everything, so you can tie them down. So I love that part of this. So cute. Such a great little find.
Okay. These things here, I thought were so unique. We've never given these out before.
Yes.
These are just little greenery balls. They are kind of squishy. I really like the texture of them. But these are going to be perfect if you just want to set them on a tray, if you have a side table, if you wanted to make a little vignette with a candle or something.
It just gives it lots of texture.
Yes.
Yes.
Lots of texture. Makes it feel like it is alive, like it is green.
Look at this.
You can use these anywhere. They are gorgeous.
Yeah, lots of texture together.
Look how bright and festive and just alive this is. I love this
Janice.
after winter because, winter takes everything. And this is bringing it back to life.
Yeah,
and
we're
I
getting
love
some
it.
green.
Yes, we're getting some green in here.
Green in here.
Everybody's getting green.
Green.
Okay.
We need some green in our life.
You're also going to be getting 2 terracotta pots.
My favorite.
This is Mom's favorite. Okay,
This is
so
my
tell them what
favorite.
you could do with these.
Okay, so I love these. Okay, so these are real terracotta pots.
Yes, they
you
are
can
real.
do a couple different things in here. Look at that, like a little topiary. Is that not adorable? That is so stinking adorable.
Look at this one.
Look at that.
Oh, it's going to fall over.
You could
It
put
caught my
those
hair
in
again.
there.
Look how cute these are.
And talking about the different levels, look how cute that is together.
That's adorable.
I don't care who you are. That's cute. And you could put this on a little end table with the little carrots and something else that's coming up. You could definitely do these with the little houses. You could put this stuff all over, or you could put it all together as a group, which we're going to show you how to do.
Or you could lay it over and have eggs coming out of it.
Look at this together, like this.
That's adorable.
That is so stinking adorable. I love them.
That is so sweet. I love this. There's so many opportunities for these. Or if you wanted a riser, you could tip them upside down and put something on top.
Look at that. It's all in the details, isn't it?
Yes.
So cute. So cute.
You could even do this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to balance it, but look how cute that is.
Look at that. I don't know.
There's
just something about putting them in there and putting them all together and kind of staging them as a big, I don't know, just telling a story. You know, I just love that. The ferns. Mary likes the ferns.
So pretty.
So that's your favorite so far. These are adorable.
These are the last things we put in the box. I think they just make the box. It makes it feel alive. It is really just the
so cute
icing on the cake, the cherry on top. And these are the little rabbits. Look how sweet these little guys are.
And look how sweet their little faces and their noses are. Oh.
They just gave you a kiss.
Yes.
I'll have you hold this one.
Okay.
So they are doing two different things. This one is leaning up. This one is like kind of reaching up for the sky. And then this one is just sitting on his little cute little tush.
Yeah. Is that not adorable?
Look how sweet these are.
These are so adorable.
I want to show you this.
Look at those.
Look how cute these would be together. Look at that.
Not to mention
the
little carrots.
Look at this.
So cute.
Look how sweet that is.
Is that not cute? I don't care who you are. This is adorable.
This is adorable.
Yeah.
So
cute.
Sweet.
So you could use these little rabbits together. You could put one on an end table and one on another end table in your living room with some of this greenery and stuff, and then put some of the little houses behind them. So adorable. So adorable.
So in total, I'm going to count these real fast.
I don't even know.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 items, not including your early bird bonuses. So
yes.
Let me show you why this would be adorable. So if you had your sweet little bunnies, your little daisies.
Yes. Look at them.
Your sign. Oh, it's going to be so sweet. So make sure you guys go get yours today, because if they're gone, they're gone. We don't have any more. These are limited editions. So once they sell out, we can't get any more.
Yes. Is this not stinking adorable? So this is the decor box. So what happens the next couple of days? I'm going to tell you. We're going to tell you and show you step by step how to decorate with each item in the box.
Yes.
Who doesn't want that?
Tomorrow we are going to be doing a 1-layer tray, just like a regular tray. It's actually this tray right here.
Ta-da!
We're showing you how to use that tray right there. And then on Friday, we're going to be showing you how to use a tiered tray. Some of you love tiered trays. We're going to be decorating
this
one right here.
We're going to be putting all this cute stuff on there. All around it. Show you how to display it.
Yes. And those are at 10 a.m. Central Time. Tomorrow and Friday. How much is it again? It is $111 plus free shipping.
Yes.
We gave you guys free shipping. We have changed that recently, and I love that because I would rather get more stuff in the box than I would pay for shipping.
And I'll be honest, when we do these, it's so hard to stop.
It is so hard to stop.
It's so hard because we're like, oh, we totally need this. I mean, look how adorable.
Look how sweet these are.
Look at this.
So, okay,
it's so cute.
What if you had these, your little sign, and a little fern? Look how cute that is. You could do so many vignettes with this box.
Yes.
Yes.
My tiered tray is done, but I am excited to see the big flat tray.
I am too.
Yes, because it's adorable.
It is so sweet.
So cute. I'm not kidding you. It is adorable.
Yes.
So look how adorable this is.
All of it. So I'm going to show you guys the early bird bonus.
I'm going to try to put it all together.
One more time. This early bird bonus is
These pots are my favorite. I'm just saying. What's your favorite?
Oh, I guess I didn't say what my favorite was.
What is your favorite? I love it.
I
Vera
love-
said she loves it.
I love the daisies, honestly. I am a big flower person. If you guys know me, I have a huge garden. I garden all the time. I have flower gardens, vegetable gardens. I'm going to be starting a new berry garden at Matthew's house when we get married next spring.
I'll be going over there.
So excited. I'm going to plant all of these things. So I love the flowers. I love the early bird bonus, which is expiring tonight. So if you guys don't get in before tonight, unfortunately, you don't get these.
Yes, you want this. If you're going to get it, just
I
get
love
it.
this. Look how cute it is with everything.
You will not be
disappointed.
I promise. They're always so cute.
I
These
love
boxes
it.
are darling. And the biggest thing is with the boxes is we get to show you how to rearrange it and use it in your home.
So if you're new
And we
here-
love that share. Everybody gets to share because I've been holding off on showing all the pictures, what people have been sending them to us. Oh my gosh, they're adorable.
They are adorable. I'm
Lots
going to be
of
posting some
inspiration.
soon. Yes. So
I can't hold everything, I'll be honest.
Yeah, I can't either.
I'd like
maybe I can grab like one other thing and maybe a little egg.
I'm trying
and
not
even
to
then we haven't even grabbed our ferns.
Look at these. Yes.
Look at these. Look at all this stuff. It is
There's
so
more
sweet.
stuff sitting down here.
Yes, so if you guys get our decor box going forward, our decor box gives you a step-by-step guide on how to use the items. So even though everybody already has them, they have been giving a QR code to a specialized guide where I give them 2 video tutorials on how to set up their trays. It is adorable.
Yes. Brenda said she has all her Easter decor up finished. Yay for you. Good for
job,
you.
Brenda.
Yes.
You are on it, girl.
But she says she loves all of our ideas and very inspiring, ladies. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. We're so glad you're here.
I also wanted to show that these ferns are 2 different types. We have, I don't know like the real names of them.
I don't either.
But this
Boston
one,
fir. I'm just going to go with it.
Yeah, sure, we'll go with that. If you guys know, let us know down below. So this one kind of has like the straight out leaves.
Yeah.
Kind of has a variance in the shapes and colors. And then this one is more like leafy.
Yeah. It's got a little more.
You guys can see kind of has.
a little jungly.
Yeah.
I don't
but
know.
them
They both
together
are.
is gorgeous.
They are stinking adorable. Trudy,
Yes.
hello. Good morning,
Hello,
Trudy.
good morning.
Good morning, Debbie.
Yes.
Yeah, so we want to know, what is your favorite part? Let us know. I know you ladies are on here. We see lots of you guys on here. Tell us what your favorite thing is in the box. And can you wait? We cannot wait to put all this together for you guys so you guys can see it.
And they are selling out so fast. We had 60 boxes and we are down to like, I don't even know, like I think we have like 10 left.
Yeah,
That is crazy. There's been so much love and support for these. So make sure you guys get in before they're gone because they're going very quickly. And I want to make sure you guys get one.
Yeah, we don't want you to be upset if you don't get them. So
Yes.
go grab yours today.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay.
talk to you guys soon.
Okay, we will see you guys tomorrow decorating with all the wonderful things at 10 a.m.
Yes, 10 a.m. I almost said Santa's coming to town, but that's off the elf.
The rabbit's coming to town.
The rabbits are coming to town. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.